Alright, now let me walk you through how edit a video that's already been generated, especially how to update the on-screen text, narration, and some property information. So go into the video that you want to edit. I will choose this one. Click Edit Video. And let's start with the title. I'm going to change the title to Your Next Home. And I also want to edit the narration. I'm going to change this line to say a brand new waterfront masterpiece set 52,000 square feet of luxury. Once you make these changes, you can click preview and see that it's been applied.
A brand new waterfront masterpiece set on 52,000 square feet of luxury.
Now you can see that both the title and the narration have been updated. And this time I'm going to add a different keyword, say beautiful resort style pool into this video. Let's preview that as well.
The breathtaking modern villa features a long swimming pool by the rocky coastline.
Also, in property information, you can update the price. And you can also toggle off any information that you don't want to appear on the screen. And don't forget to save your changes. Okay.
A brand new waterfront masterpiece set on 50.
Now you can see that the property information has been updated with new title and new narration. And that's how you can easily update both the on-screen text, narration, and some property information in your video. Thank you.